Welcome back, welcome back. Here's your trade room update here, Tuesday morning, the 20th of November. Boy, we are right up to that Thanksgiving holiday. I want to welcome you guys back here. My name is Joseph. Boy, what an incredible week so far. Now on Monday, we took a nice easy trade short on crude oil, provided you with the exact entries, the exact stops, the exact targets. And here we are once again this morning in our live trade room. It's now just before noon Eastern time, and we just finished making over $1,000 trading crude oil. Another great example today of how we used a simple morning prep. We prepared for our day, and then we simply waited for the trades to come to us, and we took them exactly as we had discussed. This morning, let's begin by rewinding the tape, and let's go back to our blog, because a lot of traders these days like to use hindsight, and we don't want to use hindsight because I can cheat. Let's see what our detailed prep every morning when we come into our trade room. We don't just start using fancy indicators. We actually try to do a methodical prep. It's a very formal review. We basically plan our trades that will later on trade our plan later in the process. So let's take a look at what our day trading strategy was for crude oil. Now, this was posted at 8 o'clock this morning. It's on my blog. And don't forget, if you always want to get the updates in real time, just join the blog. That way you'll get an email whenever I post a new call like this. Okay, so here we were. Our day trading strategy for crude oil is to sell the highs of the range. Okay, so let's see here. As price falls lower, I'm selling retracements using a wave pattern short and taking profit targets at the previous low of day. So this was the very first thing we discussed today live at 8 a.m. Eastern time when I opened up my live trade room with advanced members and trial members. So this is what we were waiting patiently for. Let's now take a look real time what happened. Again, hindsight, we don't need hindsight. We predicted this happening this morning. Here we are now. What do you see here? We can see we have a channel. Not just any channel, we can also see we've identified what we call an A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Now, an A, B, C, D pattern, in this case, this is actually bullish, which means we'll use this A, B, C, D target as a profit target, but more importantly, to buy. So the A, B, C, D tells us where price is likely to go, but more importantly, remember, this is a bullish A, B, C, D. Normally, we'd be looking to buy there as well. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the time here. So look down bottom here, you can see what time of day is here. So at 9 o'clock in the morning, we're trading sideways. My exact words were, the moment we make a new lower low, we're looking for a wave pattern short. And again, don't take my word for it, guys. Go to the blog, Sideways Markets. You'll see it's posted right there. And it's always posted ahead of time. We make a new lower low in price. There's your first wave pattern short. New lower low, second wave pattern short. And where did we end up, guys? Previous low of day. So just like we had anticipated with our formal prep this morning, new lower lows, selling retracements with a wave pattern short both times. This is the third trade in 3 days that we have called exactly according to our plan, providing exact entries, providing exact stop losses, and providing exact targets. So everybody in our trade room, whether you're a brand new trader or you're an experienced trader, can learn right along with me. So as you can see here now on my trade management chart, 2 trades, I'm going to make $600, about $590 on the first one, 44 ticks or 440 on the second one. And now today, in a very short period of time, we made over $1,000 on a $10,000 account. That's a 10% return between 10:30 and 11 o'clock. Right? Do you know many other professionals out there that work 30 minutes and make $1,000? I don't even pay my CPA or my attorney that well. It always feels good to be a professional day trader. We make incredible returns, and today was no different. Now, this stuff was pretty easy today, but we definitely had a couple curveballs early this morning. Now, right now on my blog, I've posted some information regarding the new CME Globex time change, as well as if you ran into problems yesterday with the contract rollover to the 113 on crude. So there were two distinct little speed bumps that we had to overcome first thing this morning. If you're watching this recap right now, don't forget you can search my blog and you can find all the information you need here. Just scroll down a little bit and it's right here. Okay, so head over to the blog. And again, if you're having trouble with your crude oil contract, if you're having trouble with that new CME Globex time change, these were two pretty much out of our control technology obstacles that came up Monday morning, and we still keep hearing from people who are still trying to get over that hurdle. Okay, so there's information posted on the blog. We also, of course, on Monday afternoon did a full-blown training with our members. If you're a member, don't forget to log into your advanced course and watch yesterday's training. You can get a full-blown illustration of how we fixed those yesterday afternoon. Guys, as always, a pleasure being here with each and every one of you guys. We got plenty of time to answer questions, so keep those questions coming in. My name is Joseph. Don't be a stranger, folks. This method is proven. I've been doing this over a decade now. My track record exceeds 4 years. I would love to talk to you guys privately on a Skype message if you want to know more about my trading style. Give us a call in the office, jump on Skype, email us, stop by the office here in Los Angeles, whatever it takes, guys, get in touch with me because we are going into the best time of the year right now to be a trader. We're going into a 4-day weekend. We've got Thursday and Friday off. This is such a great time to get signed up as a member because you've got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday to roll your sleeves up and learn this method. It's not going to take you very long to learn this. You've got the rest of your career in front of you guys. You can keep trying trial and error. You can keep trying YouTube, picking apart other strategies, or you can allow me as your mentor to show you exactly what to do to replicate these results. Want to thank you guys once again for being here. Let's keep the questions going. Another incredible day, $1,000 here on crude in half an hour worth of work. Doesn't get much better than that.